Hi, I'm Kelly, and welcome to my listing. I'm so excited to show you this beautiful home. Watch as we walk through and take a tour. Welcome to our grand entry. We're so excited to show you this house, but as you look over to the side, you're going to see the beautiful piano room for those of you that want to experience your cultural side. As we move across to the other side of the grand entry with a beautiful staircase, we're also going to see our formal dining room for those special occasions with friends and family. Our tour is continuing to lead us into the family area. Here you can have the soaring ceilings, the beautiful fireplace, the Juliet balcony, and of course, the view to the backyard. Everyone loves the opportunity to see what's going on, especially when you're having that special family time. I love a large sink in the kitchen, but what's even better, there's two of them. Over here, you've got your prep area. Here's a sink with a disposal to get all of your vegetables and everything you need to prep for your meals. And then you have this amazing commercial grade cooktop and oven. This is not a kitchen to just sort of cook in. This is a kitchen to really cook in. Your family will love it, and so will all your friends. Welcome to the master suite with a beautiful fireplace for those nice and cozy evenings. And as you wake up in the morning, I don't know about you, but I've got to have a cup of coffee. It's the only way to get started in the morning. You've got your own coffee bar right here on your way to your master spa. Welcome to the master spa, where you have double vanities. You've got the beautiful soaking tub. It's got jets to make you feel wonderful. But the real exception to this bathroom is the steam shower with the multiple heads, the rainfall, the ultimate experience in getting clean. I'm ready for an outdoor barbecue. How about you? Actually, in this beautiful outdoor kitchen, you've got all the comforts that you need from the kitchen, but you have them at your fingertips outside, right here next to the pool in the large granite bar. Welcome to our outdoor space, a covered patio, where we have phantom screens that come down. Not only is it going to keep the temperature a little bit better temperature, but it keeps those crazy mosquitoes away so you can truly enjoy your space. Not just in the summer, but you've got the fireplace for when it's winter. The cozy experience, family time, outside. The only place you can do this, really, is in Texas. Thank you for visiting us on the web. Make an appointment. Come see us in person. We'd love to show you this beautiful home and let you experience for yourself.